What's going on, everybody? Jeff Hill and Warehouse Buyers Club. Today we wanted to show you why it's important that you don't put racking too close to the wall. One, it may be against code, and I'm not going to talk about all the codes and regulations as it relates to racking and clear space against the wall, but here's a great example of what can happen if you put racking too close to the wall and don't leave enough room for your pallets. In this case, the racking is 42 inches deep. A standard pallet is 48 inches deep. So just by the law of nature, if you have a 6-inch overhang of your pallet and your operators don't realize that, they can do this to your drywall. So again, if you're looking to put racking up, it's really important to make sure you leave enough space if you're using a 42-inch rack so that the overhang doesn't hit the wall. A good idea would be buy a 48-inch deep rack, which is the same depth of your pallet. That way, your operators are more likely not to do the damage that we see here. Follow and subscribe to our channel to get more information like this.